Hello, welcome to Beauty and the Boss. I'm Angelique Agee, and I am going to go over today. I'm going to go over my 1 week testimony for the Farm RX product. So as you will remember, last week I got together with my skincare products and I said, I'm going to start a new regimen. I'm going to try the Farm RX products by Avon. So here is the regimen that I showed you last week. We have the serum, bakuchiol serum. I've learned how to say it now. And we have the eye cream, bakuchiol, and we also have the super greens. This hair is bothering me. The super greens moisturizer. Okay. And I have been using this consistently all week in the daytime. And let me just tell you, honestly, I am not the most consistent with skincare, but I really wanted to try this out and see how I liked it and see what it did for me. The results are in. I'm going to tell you, but just give me a second because I want to tell you some other things that I learned over the course of the week. I had been like going out the house a lot more, and I haven't been out the house in a while, so that's why it's a big deal. But I've been out the house. I've been wearing makeup a little more often, and so I'd come home and I just got out of the habit of even just consistently washing my face every night. But I did find something that was easy to use, and it is the Super Greens Cleansing Balm. So this here, you don't even need water, okay? I use the facial wipes. But you just put this stuff on and look at the size of this jar, okay? It's humongous because you just need a tiny little dab, rub it in and go like that on your makeup, and it takes the makeup off like immediately, okay? This is good. This is really good. I did like this because it gets your makeup off very quickly with no water. You just rub it on and then wipe it off. It comes right off easily. Even the lipstick that is the stay-on lipstick that stays on a long time comes right on off. So that worked well. But yesterday I took a kind of honest look at my skin to say, is this stuff really working? And this is what I found. So today I have on no makeup. I have on no filters on the Zoom meeting or nothing. I do have on eye makeup. So I had to do my eyes, but I did just use the skincare today. And so this is my results. So overall, my skin is brighter. My complexion looks to me a little bit brighter than it did just a week ago. It feels really soft, and the skincare kind of just soaks in over time. And it, it's not real greasy or anything. It just soaks in. And I'm looking at my notes here. Fine lines, and I'm of the age where I'm starting to get some fine lines, but I did notice that they weren't very visible anymore. And I'm not even going to tell you where they are, okay? Because they're not visible anymore. And then and my pores. I'm gonna get real close. Get real close. I don't see any pores. Like they're gone. I don't know. They're gone. So I'm happy with that. I'm really, really happy with the results. And the other thing is that when your skin feels really good, you feel good. So I got kind of like a little different attitude this week. I'm feeling like, hey, check out my skin. My skin is so soft. I'm like a bottle of Skin So Soft bath oil, honey. I do like this product, and the fact that it is all natural, and it is the jars are humongous. Really and truly, this product is really heavy, this jar, and for some reason the product inside, so I've been using this every day and it does not even look like I've made a dent in it. I've been using this every day, so a tiny bit lasts a long time. And for the price of this jar, I believe it's $31 maybe. I think that's a good bit of cream for $31. It's a big jar. It's a heavy, heavy, solid material. So 2 thumbs up. I'm going to give everything 2 thumbs up, not because I sell the stuff, but because I truly do like it. And I'm going to continue with the regimen. So that's really all I had to share today, other than the fact that there's just so much going on in Avon right now. Tonight, we have a live shopping event for all the moms. If you're a mommy or a grandma, there is a live shopping event tonight. And today and tomorrow, we also have free shipping with a $25 order. The code is equal 25, okay? And it's for Women's Equality Day, today and tomorrow. So do take advantage of that, because you don't see that too often. So free shipping with a $25 order. Use the code equal 25 at checkout. All right, guys, so that's it. I'm done. I said 15 minutes, but I think it might be a little less than. Yep, it's less than 15 minutes. So that's what I wanted to say. This product is available on my store, or check with your Avon representative, or look for one in your area. But this is available. And again, we have $25 free shipping today and tomorrow. So do check that out. And one other thing, if you would like to try the Farm RX, they do have a trial kit, and let me show you. They do have a trial kit, and okay, this is what comes in the trial kit. And this is, again, this is a different line in the Farm RX products, but this is what comes in the trial kit. And it's the same as this, but it's 4 little pieces, and it's only $12.99. So this is something that I would recommend. I'm going to show you all the pieces. Here you go. Can you see those? It's the whole set, and this is just the newer formulas that they have, but it does have the Bakuchiol cream, which I haven't used, but I do love it. And then we have a whole new line of Farm RX products. I can't wait to try this as well. All right, guys, so we are signing off for now, and I hope that this was helpful, and I'm going to continue to use it. So have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.